All right, so just got home and the insert for the spark plug has had plenty of time to dry. It's been 24 hours. Oh, come on, battery. God damn it. Exact same freaking thing after I went through everything, but it does sound better. I'm not getting any gas up there still. I'm not pulling any plugs out. I'll this baby up a little bit again. I feel like I'm stiffened up. Well, it's running better. It's coming out right back here. I can see that's where it's popping. God damn it, can't see in there. I don't know if it's gonna show up on the video or not, but that's where it's blowing out. Man, this baby got a little stiff on me. Why did it get a little stiff? That's the top, it's trying to run. For me, sound like both cylinders with the amount of smoke and everything. Let me open this baby up a little bit. I mean, it almost sounds a little timing issue, which is the other thing, because when I open this thing up, it didn't affect the timing. Usually you try to open that carb up, they don't want to run because your timing is not mixed in properly. I swear to God, I'm feeling it right here. I don't know, like I said, if you can see it, what's going on or what. I'd swear it was going pow, pow, pow right here. That's what I'd swear I'm seeing light puffs of something blowing out right here in this area. I'd even swear I was feeling it. Puff, 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 hitting my finger. Definitely running better. Now I can see, hold on. God damn, there's a screw laying here. Where'd it go? God damn it. It's got to be that seal. There we go. I think what's happening is that's where it's blowing out. There it is right there. See that? Gas in the oil, baby. Ooh, see right there? So that's what it is, this frickin' seal, that cover, the hood. Perfect indication of a bad seal. But I don't know if anybody changed it or not. You can see here on this one here, I haven't run it with the hood on, but I cleaned this puppy all out, so I wouldn't have to worry about that shit. And I thought I would at least get the damn thing running, you know what I mean? In the water running enough to see anything spraying out on the hood. So that's where I'm at on this thing. Gonna have to pull all this off, pull that damn seal out. I might even have one in my box. trying to see if there's any, you know, there's a little bit of a rainbow in the water there. I don't know if you can really see it. It's not much. Just trying to see if there's any gas and oil, unburned gas and oil leaking out. And I'm not really seeing anything. Alright, get the hell out of here. Back to work tomorrow. Well, there he goes, boy. Old Sparky broke down on me on the way home. I believe fuel pump is gone. So, never fails, never fails. Always something.
Don't forget to subscribe.